Hello and welcome back, health seekers. Are you looking to manage your insulin levels through exercise? Look no further. In this video, we will discuss the top exercises that can help manage your insulin levels and improve your overall wellness. Before we level down the details, hit the like and subscribe button to show your support for this channel. Your participation helps others to see this content, which helps more people learn about these important health tips. Exercise plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels and promoting insulin sensitivity, which is essential for preventing and managing conditions like diabetes. From cardiovascular activities like running and cycling to strength training exercises like weightlifting and resistance band workouts, we will explore a variety of exercises that can positively impact your insulin levels. Make sure to incorporate these exercises into your regular fitness routine to optimize your health and well-being. Here are the top exercises for maintaining healthy insulin levels. Aerobic exercise. Aerobic exercises such as walking, jogging, swimming, cycling, and dancing are effective in improving insulin sensitivity. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise most days of the week. Resistance training. Strength training exercises using weights, resistance bands, or body weight can help increase muscle mass and improve insulin sensitivity. Focus on compound exercises that target multiple muscle groups such as squats, lunges, deadlifts, and push-ups. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief periods of rest or low-intensity exercise. This type of workout has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and metabolic health in a shorter amount of time compared to traditional steady-state cardio. Yoga. Yoga combines physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation, which can help reduce stress levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Certain yoga poses, such as twists and forward bends, may also directly stimulate the pancreas and improve insulin secretion. Pilates. Pilates focuses on core strength, flexibility, and overall body awareness. It can help improve insulin sensitivity by increasing muscle strength and promoting better posture and alignment. Interval training. Similar to HIIT, interval training alternates between periods of high-intensity exercise and recovery. It can be adapted to various forms of exercise, including running, cycling, swimming, and bodyweight exercises. Circuit training. Circuit training involves performing a series of exercises targeting different muscle groups with minimal rest in between. It provides both cardiovascular and strength benefits, making it an effective way to improve insulin sensitivity. Flexibility and mobility exercises. Incorporating exercises that improve flexibility and mobility, such as stretching and mobility drills, can complement other forms of exercise and promote overall health and well-being. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. Additionally, combining exercise with a balanced diet and other lifestyle modifications is key to effectively lowering insulin levels and improving overall health. Hey, thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips on managing your insulin levels and improving your health.